Ever wondered about the journey of whey protein, from a humble glass of milk to the power-packed supplement that fuels your workouts? Whey protein, a byproduct of cheese production, is a high-quality protein source with all the essential amino acids. It's a key player for those pursuing fitness, offering a quick and efficient way to feed those hungry muscles. Today, we're about to peel back the curtain on the entire process of its production. So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of whey protein production. Our journey begins at the dairy farm, where cows are milked. The first step in the whey protein production process starts with the humble cow. These hard-working animals are milked 2 to 3 times a day, providing the raw material for our beloved whey protein milk. The milk from the cows is collected in a sanitary and careful manner to ensure the highest quality possible. This is crucial, as the quality of the milk directly impacts the quality of the final whey protein product. Once the milking process is complete, the milk is quickly cooled to preserve its freshness and then transported to dairies. At the dairy, the milk undergoes a series of quality checks and processing. This involves pasteurization, a heating process that kills harmful bacteria, and homogenization, which ensures a smooth and consistent texture. This careful, meticulous process ensures that the milk is in the best possible condition before it's used for whey protein production. Now, with the milk ready at the dairy, we move to the next step. At the dairy, the milk undergoes a transformative process to become cheese. This fascinating journey begins with pasteurization, a process that heats the milk to eliminate any harmful bacteria. Once the milk is pasteurized, it's time to introduce rennet, an enzyme that curdles the milk. This curdling process separates the milk into solid curds and liquid whey, initiating the birth of cheese. The curds are then cut into smaller pieces to release more whey, and subsequently cooked and pressed to form the cheese. But don't be fooled, the magic doesn't stop there. The liquid byproduct of this process, the whey, is far from waste. It's a protein-packed powerhouse, a liquid goldmine that's destined for great things. So while the curds go on to mature into various types of cheese, the whey embarks on its own journey of transformation. With cheese production complete, we are left with a liquid goldmine of whey. The leftover whey undergoes a thorough filtering and purification process. It's a fascinating journey, really. The whey, which is a byproduct from the cheese-making process, is still rich in protein but also contains fats and lactose, and that's where the filtering process comes in. Imagine a fine sieve, but on a microscopic level. The whey is passed through these microscopic sieves, effectively separating the fats and lactose from the protein. But that's not all. To further concentrate the protein, the whey then undergoes a purification process. This involves a series of steps, including ultrafiltration and diafiltration, to ensure that the protein remains intact while the unwanted components are removed. And what you have at the end of this intricate process is a concentrated form of protein known as whey protein concentrate. It's a rich source of all the essential amino acids your body needs. At the end of this stage, we have a high-quality whey protein concentrate, but it's not ready to hit the shelves just yet. The final steps are drying and packaging the whey protein concentrate. Once we've separated the whey from the rest, it's time to transform it into a form that's easy to use and store. Under carefully controlled conditions, we dry the liquid whey concentrate into a fine powder. This process is crucial as it preserves the nutritional content of the whey while making it convenient for transport and storage. Next, the protein powder is packaged, often in airtight containers, to protect it from moisture, sunlight, and contaminants. Quality control and hygiene are paramount in these steps. Every measure is taken to ensure that the final product is safe, potent, and of the highest quality. And there you have it, your whey protein is ready to power your workouts. So that's the remarkable journey of whey protein, from the dairy farm to your protein shake. A journey that begins with the humble cow, culminating in a dairy product that's transformed into cheese. But the magic doesn't end there. The whey, once a byproduct, is then filtered and purified, bringing us to the nutrient-rich, protein-packed powerhouse we know and love. This journey is not just about creating a product. It's a testament to the meticulous process that ensures every gym goer, every fitness enthusiast gets the fuel they need for their workout. Remember, every scoop of whey protein is a testament to this meticulous process. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more such insightful content.